rain, sleet, and snow coming through the mountains. Man, it's coming down pretty bad. We got this. Man, it's coming in thick. Okay. So it's like rain and snow mixed. This is
they call this sleet.
Yep, sleet. This is California checkpoints right there. But yep, we're coming in. Definitely don't have this in Florida. But we're coming back to this heavily storm. I can't see it.
No, right, just stay right here.
Yeah. Holy cow. And I think there's 4 inches up where our cabin, or our place is. So I'm most probably gonna have to put on the chains.
You're too close to
get up.
There are people on the top where we need to get over.
Yep. All the trucks are pulled over. They are mandatory to get chains on the vehicles. Big old storm. Looks like it's coming in. Yeah, that's snow. Now I got my flippers.
Getting on the road.
And I got my flippers on.
Me too.
Oh man. Oh yeah. But it helps them with the chains. Now we're coming in. Does look like the roads are getting snowy. So we got about another 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours to get home. But at least take some shortcuts and we'll be out of here. Some big snow.
Whoa, those are huge.
Them are some big snowflakes coming down right now.
Those are those big fluffy snowflakes.
Huh?
Those are those big fluffy snowflakes that
Look
they're
at
telling
them.
us about. Yeah. Wow. Those are cool.
They're so good.
Those little pillows.
Slow it down just a little bit. Don't want to go too fast. Because when you have the chance to brake, you're not going fast when you're braking, because then that's when you'll slide. So you want to go slow. So if you do slide or anything like that, you'll be going slow. Luckily, we made it just in time. I think if we waited another hour, these roads would be covered. Then we would have to wait for the plows to come through. Big old snowflakes coming through. It's like 32 degrees outside. So it's nice and crispy. Then we gotta worry about the other people coming this way.
Mm-hmm.
And they're speeding like they don't even care, dude. And I'm sorry, but hopefully, I guess when we get our tires, we'll be able to speed or go the speed limit through the snow. But I would always want to be cautious all the time. It's not like we're in a rush to get somewhere.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Nope. Fuck. Fuck. Luckily we're this close.
Yeah, because our place is right there.
Nope. Nope. You'll get us in a ditch. You're gonna get us in a ditch over here.
Yeah.
Your ass end is going towards this ditch. And now your front end is. Don't go. Don't. You're gonna get us stuck more. Yep. We're gonna have to call Jeremy.
No. This is how you get help when you get stuck on the road. Call a friend. Call a hotline. Friend, please.